Pain is the greatest teacher. Mercy? That's for the weak. Out there, no one fights fair, so why should you? Someone leaves you a bad Yelp review, you make sure they never eat again.
This whole no mercy thing, I don't think there's a place for it in the sport.
With all due respect, Miss Nichols, that's not a discussion you need to be involved in. You're here for a sponsorship assignment, not to debate our methods.
Is that you, Sam?
I think you mean Sensei Sam.
Wait, what is this? I don't get what's going on.
I'm ready for you, bitch.
Oh,